зажигание кислород, предварительное, промежуточное, главное.
Снять шинуем. Стоп моторы.
After launch, the separation of stages begins. The drop places of these parts are strictly determined. The Ministry of Defense has delivered previously to Tsenki more than 100 drop areas on the territory of Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Russia. The drop areas were determined, but with no normative documents to use them. The Office of Operation of Drop Areas of the Operative Division Tsenki started to draft them. Together with drop areas, Roscosmos received so-called bases, people, places, equipment, for the collection and utilization of separable parts of rockets.
Мы их не утилизировали.
They were not before utilizing. It was temporary storages, place of the collecting in the steppe, process to the ecology, cleaning up. Approximately for 1 or 2 years, all these separable parts have been cut and utilized in an appropriate way and withdrawn. Later on, the center started to open independently new routes and new drop areas. The Baikonur Cosmodrome is connected to Russia by air, railway, and automobile routes. Transport, another sphere of care of Tsenki operational control. People and cargoes need to cross custom borders between Russia and Kazakhstan. This is regulated by international agreements. The preparation and conclusion of such agreements is the tasks of Tsenki also. Baikonur is an international space harbor of the Earth. Tsenki also organizes visits by foreigners to Baikonur. Up till 1994, all launches at the Baikonur Cosmodrome were conducted by the military staff. After the Russian Space Agency came to the Cosmodrome, the employer-worker relationships developed and are now regulated by the labor agreement and normative documents. Moreover, the new positions, such as filler of space rocket, have appeared. Not a single guide of labor legislation provided for this before. Tsenki and the Center of Industrial Safety in particular was charged with realization of state policy on protection of work. The Center of Industrial Safety was entrusted with tasks of information of philosophy on maintenance of labor safety during all space activity, including the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Tsenki, a flexible and dynamic structure. Already 5 of its subsidiaries actively participate in the federal space program. The first to appear was the subsidiary structure on the southern testing area to ensure the reliable communication for the entire space branch. We are engaged now not only with tasks of providing Roscosmos with all kinds of communication and telecommunication services, but we are now ensuring the delivery of propellant components for all launches, which are carried out here from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. We also take care of ecological monitoring and meteorology. In a short time, Tsenki has become one of the reference organizations of Roscosmos. For this time, our reputation and prestige have grown on the international arena as well. Today, along with the main contractor, we sign international contracts. We are now an organization which provides insurance, economic protection of interests of the state and of Roscosmos. We are actually known all over the world. In 2005, Russia adopted the Federal Space Program. Its main task aims to strengthen advanced positions of Russia in space in the 21st century. Today, Tsenki is the main segment of space industry of the Russian Federation.